This is the hat channel machine. You can see that it's still crated just like we had it delivered. Never had the wiring hooked up. We saw video proof when we bought them that they ran great. They look like brand new. All the parts are still covered up. Everything's still greased. And as far as the hat channel machine, it's got this one spot at the end, same thing, 1.5 inch shafts, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stations. If that's what you're referring to as stations, this is the spot where you operate. I'm assuming that's what you're talking about.